In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add keyframes on Canva. To get started, first navigate to Canva and click on the video option. This will bring up a variety of templates to choose from, ensuring you have just the right layout. Once you've selected video, next opt for a video in a landscape format. This is particularly useful if you're planning to share your project on platforms that favor a widescreen display. After you've set your canvas, head on over to the Upload section in the left-hand menu. Here you can bring in your own images or graphics. Simply click on Uploads, and once you've uploaded your desired image, you can drag it directly onto the canvas. You might notice that the image doesn't yet fill the entire page. To adapt it, right-click the image and then click Set Image as Background. This will automatically resize it to cover the entire workspace, giving your project a neat and professional look. With your background set, add another image. Simply drag this second image onto the page. You can resize and move it around according to your preference. Place it wherever it fits best for your design or narrative. Next up, focus on timing. At the bottom of the canvas, you will see a page timeline. Set the duration of your scene to 3 seconds. This will control how long the image appears before transitioning. Right-click once more on your page and select Duplicate Page. This creates an exact copy of your current setup, which will be useful for creating animations. Now you can reposition your duplicated image to create that animation effect. Right-click again and once more choose Duplicate Page. Reposition the image as needed for it to transform smoothly as the video progresses. Now let's add some movement between the images. Toward the center of your screen, locate the transition icon, which looks like a little vertical play button between your pages. Click it and select Match and Move from the transition options. This feature creates a smooth animation between the duplicated pages, enhancing the flow of your video. Don't forget to adjust the duration speed slider to 1 second. This ensures your transition is quick and smooth, not overly lengthy or sluggish. Once finished, apply the transition between all pages by clicking Apply Between All Pages, giving your video a consistent look and feel. Finally, preview your work by clicking the play button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This allows you to see everything in motion and you can make any final tweaks necessary. And that's how you add keyframes in Canva, transforming static designs into dynamic videos in just a few steps. Thank you for watching and enjoy creating on Canva.